Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable audio description on your XIAOMI F Pro TV. First, you have to navigate to the settings from the home screen of your TV. So navigate to the gear icon on the side of your device and then go to the accessibility settings. In accessibility, navigate to audio type menu and open it. Here you have two options. The first one is over-the-air channels, and here you can enable audio description for over-the-air channels. If you turn this feature on, you'll be able to choose the audio description volume, either low, medium or high, by selecting the respective option. The low one is the default option. And here we also have the Spoken Subtitles for broadcast channels option. However, in my case, in my version of the OS, this feature is not available, so I cannot turn it on. The second option in audio type is Prime Video audio description. So if you want to enable audio description for Prime Video, just toggle this feature on, and this way you will enable audio description. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.